Hey everyone, tired of your phone dying on you at the worst possible moments? Well, let's dive into 10 ways to maximize your battery life and keep your juice flowing all day long. But before that, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos like this. So, let's get started. The first tip is to reduce the brightness of your screen. Think of your screen as a light bulb for your phone's battery. The brighter it is, the faster it drains. Turn down that brightness level and watch your battery life go up. Unless you are lost in the woods, turn off GPS when you are not actively using it. Maps and apps can still track you through Wi-Fi and cell towers, so you won't become a digital nomad. I promise. Apps, even unused ones, can be battery vampires lurking in the background. Banish the energy suckers by uninstalling those you no longer need. Your phone will thank you and so will your battery. Sure, vibrations are cool, but they are not cool for your battery life. Go vibration free for a while and see if you even miss those tiny tremors. You can turn them off from the sound and vibration settings. Your phone isn't dumb. Let it learn your app usage pattern and put those rarely used ones to sleep with built-in battery optimization tools. Think of it as a power nap for your apps. High refresh rates. They are lovely, but they are battery gourmets. Dropping it down a notch can keep things smooth without feeling sluggish, all while giving your battery a much needed break. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi constantly search for signals even when you are not using them. Cut the cord and turn them off when you are not connected. Your battery will sigh in relief. Some apps are data guzzlers, even in the background. Restrict their data usage to prevent them from secretly draining your battery. Think of it as a setting boundaries for your digital friends. Need a quick battery boost? Well, airplane mode is your emergency brake, cutting all wireless connection and saving a ton of juice. Perfect for long flights or even when you truly need to unplug. Phone manufacturers constantly improve battery management with updates. Check for and install the latest one for an extra battery boost. Think of it as giving your phone a vitamin shot for its power cells. And there you have it, folks. 10 easy ways to give your Android phone's battery the love it deserves. Remember, small changes can have a big impact. So implement these tips, experiment, and find what works best for you. Go forth and conquer those low battery anxieties. Thank you for watching.